Esprit Holdings, Neil Barrett, Act, H&M, Michael Bastian, Ike Behar, English Laundry, Caraceni, Reid, Marx and Spencer, Paul Frederick, Jil Sander, Crew, Michael Kors Corporation, Express Inc., John Varvatos Enterprises Inc., John W. Nordstrom, Alexander McQueen, Gieves and Hawkes, Ellis International, Peter Miller, Joe S. Bank Clothiers, Joseph Abboud, Samuelson, Paul Smith, Yves Saint Laurent, Isaia, Salvatore Ferragamo S, Tom Ford, Hart, Schaffner and Marx, Dolce and Gabbana, Versace, Hickey Freeman, Prada, Kiton, Ralph Lauren Corporation, Gucci, Zegna, Burberry, Armani Caraceni, Hugo Boss, Brioni, Cannoli.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.